Well, let's get a quick handle on what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha Gupta joins in. Manisha, hi, morning.
Morning, Sonia. Thank you for that. Well, I'm talking about sugar because today is the beginning of the new sugar season. Crushing starts from today. And ahead of that, we already have had ISMA come out with the expectation on what they're expecting in sense of crop this year. So for 2023-24, the expectation is that you could be looking at a production of 33.7 million ton. This is much lower than what we saw last year at 36.6 million tons. The other important point is that nearly 4 million tons out of that went as a diversification for ethanol. So if we are looking at the same number this year as well, then we are looking at a sugar availability of less than 30 million tons. Take a look at the consumption, which stands at 27.8 million tons. So we are looking at a lower sugar availability. I mean, we do understand that the availability at this point in time is higher at around 55 lakh tons, which is enough until the new sugar starts to come into the market. But that clearly means that there are no exports happening this year. We saw 6.2 million tons of export last year and a record 11.1 million tons in 2021-22. This year, we haven't seen any allocations yet, and with the kind of production, consumption and ethanol diversification and the fact that you need certain in a buffer stock as well, that does not leave any opportunity as of now in sense of export numbers there. The other important thing clearly has been Maharashtra, Karnataka, which have declared drought in many districts, is the reason you are looking at a lower sugar availability, down by nearly 8% as compared to previous year. That has been keeping the prices on the higher side. So for the Indian markets, we may have seen a gain of around 5% in this year, but the global markets have seen 35% increase in sugar prices in this year. That is because the markets also are calculating a deficit of around 2.1 million tons for the coming season, and that clearly has been supportive. So we are working with 55 lakh tons of sugar as the new season starts, and 33.6 million tons is what you will see in new sugar coming into the markets there. Another important thing is, in what India is awaiting as of now, is the ethanol pricing, which is expected to rise by 3 to 4%. It could be to the tune of 69.85 rupees per litre. The other thing that the industry has been demanding from the government is that there should be a long-term price formula that should be put in for ethanol pricing as well, so the markets know on what they need to invest and what ethanol availability you would see on a season-on-season basis.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's commodities in focus.